Before we get started with today's video, I just want to let you know that my shopping vlogs are for entertainment and educational purposes. Please do not take my videos as guidance to leave your home. I am here to show you how to coupon better and tell you about the best deals. If you are under a shelter-in-place order and you feel like shopping may endanger you or someone else, please stay at home. We're all adults and I trust that we can all shop responsibly.
Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So I just have a really quick haul that I wanted to share with you guys. I went by 2 stores this evening after work. I stopped by Walmart and grabbed just a couple items, and then I went over to Dollar General to use my 3 off of 15 coupon that I talked to you guys about in my last Dollar General video, so hopefully you saw that. So I'll start off with Walmart because my haul there was really small and I just picked up these little few items. So I went there primarily because I know that my particular Walmart gets their shipment of like stuff in their laundry and cleaning aisles on Tuesday. Tuesday is when they usually stock those shelves, and I've learned to come in the evening time because that is when they are putting stuff out for the following day. They don't really do as much of the overnight stocking at my particular Walmart. They put everything out, it seems like, when things are about to close up. So I went there to grab some Lysol wipes and see what other cleaning products they may have. If you follow me on Instagram and you live in the Metro Atlanta area, when I'm grabbing things that I know are essential, I do post them, like toilet paper, Lysol wipes, etc. I will post them up with the store location tagged so you know where I'm finding these items, because I think it's important that we help each other with locating these things because they are pretty hard to come by right now. So the Lysol wipes, I think, were like $4.88, which makes each canister like $1.62 a pack or something like that. I did not even use a coupon on these. I just wanted to grab these so I have them for my family members, because I know right now disinfecting everything is top of mind, and my mom and my grandmother and my dad are constantly asking me for Lysol products. So I just wanted to make sure that I have these on deck for my family. So no coupon used, but when you're buying the bundle pack, the 3-pack, you do have some cost savings there because you're getting them for, like I said, like $1.60 each. I also got this cleaning bottle from Walmart, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with this in just a second because I think it's a good little hack in case you are having a hard time finding some cleaning products. I am going to use something that we just picked up from Dollar General with that bottle. So now let's move over to Dollar General. Once again, I just had a little small haul because I wanted to use my 3 off of 15 coupon. Now the 3 off of 15 coupon is an exclusive coupon that not all accounts get. So you have to just check your account and see if it's there. But if it is there, it's pretty helpful because it allows you to shop at Dollar General and get some savings without having to go on Saturday for the 5 off of 25. You can do a much smaller transaction like the one that I very quickly put together in the store today and get some cost savings on some things that you may need anytime during the week. So the first item that I grabbed was a bottle of Gain detergent. These are $5. I used the $1 off digital coupon. Then I grabbed 2 of the Mr. Clean Freak refills. Those were $3 each. I used the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I got 2 of the Renews It cones. Those were $1 a piece. I used the $1 off digital coupon. Then I got 1 of the Lysol. So these are the little baby bottles of Lysol that you can find in the $1 aisle, and these have everything that we need to kill all of those germs and bacteria, and that is actually what I'm going to use for this bottle over here. I use the 50-cent off digital coupon on that, and that is only $1. Then I grabbed 1 of the Kleenex boxes. These are $1 each, and I did not use any coupon on that. I just needed a $1 filler item. And the reason I chose to get Kleenex for my $1 filler item, you could grab whatever you want to grab, is because I don't know how it works in your house, but in my house, a lot of times if people need Kleenex, they will grab toilet paper or paper towels or anything that is nearby. But with the shortage right now on toilet paper and paper towels and just paper products in general, I want to make sure that we are using Kleenex for Kleenex and toilet paper for toilet paper. So I'll be grabbing a lot more Kleenex products just to make sure that we have a good supply of Kleenex on hand. So I didn't use any coupons for that, but still at only $1, I think it's a really good value. So for these 7 items, my total came up to exactly $15, and I will show you how everything broke down. So there's the gain with the $1 digital, there's the Kleenex with no coupon, there's the Renews It with the $1 digital, there is the Mr. Clean refills, and then there is the Lysol at $1. We had a $3 digital for the Mr. Clean, and then the 50-cent digital for the Lysol. My subtotal came up to $6.50 for those 7 items. $6.50 for 7 items. So that's like grabbing everything for under $1 a piece. So 7 items for $6.50 I don't think is bad at all, especially when we have some essentials in the mix. And if you're having a hard time finding the trigger spray bottles of Lysol, this is a little hack that you can do. If you can get your hands on one of these little bottles of Lysol from the dollar aisle, you can actually use this, which makes up to 5 gallons of cleaner. You can pour half of this bottle in here, or you can use a little bit less if you prefer. I'd probably pour about half of the bottle and then fill up the other half with purified water to make sure that you have a good water source there. These bottles that come from Walmart are chemically resistant, so they will work well even if you were to put anything like bleach or Lysol, anything in those bottles. But you can use that. This little bitty $1 bottle of Lysol will make 2 full bottles plus of this. You could probably make up to 3 or 4, to be honest. And that will not only save you some money, but it will also save you the hassle of trying to chase down bottles of Lysol cleaners, and you will still have all of those disinfecting properties. So that is all, you guys. Just wanted to share those things with you in case they may be helpful with you finding those essential items, and show you what I picked up after work today. I hope you're all staying safe and well out there, and I thank you as always for watching this video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, and as always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.